from AB Dental India. Today I take this opportunity to introduce our company's website to you and take you on a website tour as your navigator. So friends, let me take you through the AB Dental website tour. Here I have the Google in front of me. Anybody that logs into Google can write down here AB Dental Devices.com. When I click on this, here I have the website. I can see here there are several tabs here on the top. Let me take you through the website by one link. The first link what I have here is the company. See here the company overview and the beautiful office of the company. It's the main Israel head office. AB Dental Devices in a dynamic and innovative solution-based company, making the patient-centric products like dental solutions, digital implant planning, surgical guide, prosthetic part, tools, all the solutions in one package. The company profile, company was registered in year 2000, and since then serving the industry with their innovative solutions, having all the standards, highest international standards and regulatories of all the countries like US, UK, India, Taiwan, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia. The continuous education, continuous innovation, patent products and tailor-made solutions, advanced trainings. Scrolling down, I can see here the executive management, the executive committee of the company. The first picture I can see here is the lady, Mrs. Ofra Barshalom, the chairman of the board and the owner of the company. I can see here Mr. Elzer Barshalom, owner, Mr. Rami Ziv, the CEO, and Mr. Gur Barshalom, the vice president R&D and supply chain and the owner of the company, Mr. Doran Alush, vice president global sales development. Scrolling up, now I'm clicking on the other tab, which is the certificates. I want to show you the certificates what the company have. Anybody logs into our website can see the certificates what the company have is the CE Europe, the ISO, the US FDA. Let me show you one of the link. When I click on the FDA, it shows me the certificate. It shows me the US FDA certificate, and the company registers and company gets it on regular basis. It was 2015, and now I have it to 2018. Uh, Gradually, I can see the year by year certificates of FDA for the company's product and assurance. Similarly, we have it for the Israel, China, Mexico, Canada, Singapore, Australia, India, Panama, Russia, Taiwan, Malaysia, and so on. So companies having the registration of all the countries for the global presence across the world. Clicking on the other link, which is the international, I can see here the global presence of the company across the world in 60 countries, and with the global distribution network, I can see here the world map showing all the countries where the company's presence, the regions. Now I'm clicking to the other tab, which is the global events. When I click on the other link, global tab, I can see here is the AB Dental International Congress for 2020 in Punta Cana. Clicking on the more information link, and to get the more information about this event, I can see here the International AB Dental International Congress for 2020 in Punta Cana and Malia Caribbean Beach Hotel. 5 days, 4 nights, 2 days of lectures, 11 speakers in a five-star resort. This is the brochure having the global speakers and the renowned speakers across the world. Now I'm clicking into the catalog. When I click on the catalog file, I can see here the implants. The implants is categorized into three parts: internal hex implant, narrow platform, one piece implant. I'm clicking on to the more information for the internal hex implants. I can see here is the implants I2, I22, I5, I55, I10. Let me show you this and the most running implants nowadays in the current market. I've clicked on to I55. This is my favorite implant, the one with the combination of an active and the gentle threads, which is that makes an implant for all the conditions, and have a very good primary stability even in compromised bone situations. Even built-in platform switching, comes out with a wide range of 3, 3.3, 3.75, 4.2, 4.5, 5 diameter of implant. I'm clicking into the other implant. I want to show you I10 in the market from AB Dental Devices, having a very unique design of double thread. As I shared that I-55 has a double thread of a combination of active and gentle threads. I-10 also have that. 10 is differentiated with I-55 with the trapeze on the top, because this trapeze ensures the less crestal bone loss and also the good emergence profile in the aesthetic zone. This kind of an implant gives a very good results to the dentist, especially being placed in anterior zone. The implants having a double connection, double hex for better stability of the abutment in the implant. All the implants of AB Dental having a biological surface treatment of calcium phosphate blasting, and also we have treated it with the beta TCP. This enhanced osseointegration. Let me show you the range of I-10. 3.75 is the narrow diameter. I can see here the yellow color, that is the color coding to differentiate this with the regular platform of implants. I have here is 4.2, 5 diameter of implant. The wide range comes out with the length like 6, 8, 10, 11.5, 13, 16. Let me show you what we have more here. I'm clicking onto the narrow platform now. While clicking onto the narrow platform, I can see here the implants are available in the narrow platform like 3 diameter, especially for the anterior zone and for very narrow spaces. I can see here the design of I-55, the innovative design in a narrow implant, which is the combination of active gentle threads, the one with the yellow color on the top. I can see narrow implant is also available in 3.75 in I-10. Let me take you to the other implant, which is the one-piece implant. Types of one-piece implants. Let me show you one of the implant, I6, I6B, I7. I'm here clicking on to the I6 implant. You can see here have the built-in abutment on the top, which makes it for the immediate loading. The is available in a very narrow diameter, which is 2.4 for the aesthetic zone. Let me show you the other range. It is available in 2.4, 3 and 3.2 diameter implant. Now I'm clicking onto the tools. In the toolkits, we have 3 types of toolkits. Let me show you the first kit, which is TKS, Compact Organized Kit. This is a very beautiful kit. Recently, we have converted from a metal to a plastic box as per the requirement of the market. The TKS kit is the starter kit, but unless like any other company starter kit, it has more drills because it has 2 diameter up to 5.5 diameter. It has the tools for the implant insertion tool. It has the abutment hex drivers, couple of hex drivers, the paneling pins, the torque wrench in the toolkit. ETKS is widely used in the market. Let me show you the other toolkit, the TKM, TKM organized toolkit. The difference between TKS and TKM is the more drills. It has the countersink, it has more drills, and the tools are more for the narrow and for the regular diameter. For the short and comes out with the short and long length as per the requirement of the dentist. Now I am moving to the other toolkit. This is the third and my favorite toolkit. This is TKDC. TKDC is the stoppered coated conical drills. The difference between this kit and the other kit is the drills majorly, because in the TKDC you have the length specific and diameter specific drills. In TKS and TKM you have the drills which has the laser markings. The doctor has to stop while drilling, has to stop at a particular length like 6, 8, 10, 11.5, 13, 16. But here you have the specific drill. So suppose like for a specific diameter and length there would be a specific drill. This kind of a feature also increases the life of the kit and can be used for more number of implant placements. This is a full kit, advanced surgical kit, you can say. Also have the AB guided toolkit. This kind of toolkit is used for the AB guided surgeries. It has the spoons, the torque wrench, the depth gauge, and the drills, longer drills for the AB guided solutions. Now I'm coming to the other link on the tab. I'm coming on to the prosthetic options. When I click on to prosthetic options, because nowadays any company, any implant company, a good implant company needs to have the good prosthetic options, because the doctors has placed the implants and now they want to restore it. with all types of abutments. I can see here they have categorized into three. This is standard platform, narrow platform, and CAD/CAM abutments. I'm clicking on to the more information for the standard platform. I can see here we have the healing caps, impression copings of different types, open tray, closed tray, and the cemented end options. The abutments available for cemented end options, we can see here is the peak abutment, the peak abutments with the, and the comes out with also an angle abutment. We can see here the anti-rotation abutment, anatomic anti-rotation abutment. We can see the angle abutment P4 comes out with 15 degree, 25 degree, 35 degree, and 45 degree of angle, a very good range. We have here is the plastic sleeve, the UCLA. We have the plastic sleeve with the cobalt chrome base for a better fit of an implant with an abutment. Now I'm clicking to the other link in the screw-retained restorations. In the screw-retained restoration, I can see here the innovative solutions like P14 angular adapter, P64, the multi-unit abutment here. This is the design of our multi-unit. It comes out with the wild range, the one with the very thick shoulder multi-unit. Comes out with the straight 17 degree, 30 degree, and 42 degree of multi-units. Let me show you the product range. We have the straight multi-unit. We have 17 degree, 30 degree, and 42 degree with different heights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 42 degree. The one with 0.5, 2 mm of cover height. Let me show you the over-denture solutions. We have the semi-retained, screw-retained, and now I'm coming towards the over-denture solutions. We have the P5, P25, the AB lock, patent product of the company P5, which is angular ball attachment, the one with 20 degree of ball attachment. Now I'm moving towards the CAD/CAM lab products. CAD/CAM products is Thai base. The scan abutments nowadays dentists are using the IOS intraoral scanner. So Evidental also have the CAD/CAM solutions like the scan abutment available. This is made up of the peak abutment and scannable uh, for the iOS. Let me show you. It also has the CAD/CAM libraries. So any lab can download these libraries and can give the solution, the digital solution to the dentist. Wide range, the scan abutments are available for the single, for the multiple arch, for the multiple tooths. For the multi-units also, I would say that Evidental is one of the company I've seen in my career that having the scan base for the multi-units also. Now I'm moving towards the other platform. All the solutions which are available in the standard platform are also available in the narrow platform that makes the complete system. It has the healing caps, impression copings, simulated options. Let me show you the simulated options of the it all similarly to standard platform. We can see here the P3, the narrow abutment, and also the UCLA for the narrow platform. Let me show you the screw retained options. We can see here we also have the P14 for the narrow abutment that makes the system a very unique, because this kind of a diameter doesn't really have much of angle adapters or the multi units, but Evidental do have. Over-denture restoration. Wow, the narrow diameters. One thing we can see here is all the narrow diameter abutments are complete yellow in color. That makes the system very easy to identify for the dentist with the color coding. The complete abutment is yellow in color. I can see here the P5, the P25 AB lock, and the P520, the angular ball attachment, the research of the company. Let me show you the CAD/CAM solutions available in the narrow platform. Two channel platform we have here is the Thai base, the scan abutments, and the digital analog for the narrow platform. Now I'm clicking on to the last link of the CAD/CAM solutions. So I can show you here all the, we also have the digital model analog for the multi-unit. Let me show you. Wow, this is an innovative product. I've not really seen this kind of a product available with companies, but Evidental Devices being an innovative solution-based company, we do have the digital analog for the multi-unit. So this was our prosthetic options. Now I'm moving towards the other section. This is the 3D products. Let us see what else 3D product. When I click onto the 3D products, I can see here the uniquely you solution of the company, which is the oral maxillofacial reconstruction implant, the one with the subperiosteal implant, nasal floor implant, orbital implants. It's a very unique solution of the company. Let us see what next we have is we have the AB guide service. For AB guide service, the dentist has to coordinate with the local salesperson of the country, because AB dental solutions are available from the company through a channel. It needs to have a scanning center. That part is also very crucial, very important in this. Science at the places. I'm clicking onto the other link. The science part we can see here is the research. And, we can see the dentist can see the research here of the various books, oral maxillofacial books, the scientific reports, the clinical trials of the products can be downloaded from this link. Case studies. Let us see what all case studies the renowned speakers and the user of the product have shared with us, the cases which we upload on our website, and the dentist can see and learn from the experience of the experts. We can see here there are various cases: full mouth rehabilitation, 9 years of follow-up, anterior cases, narrow implants, 3 implants, over dentures. There is a lot of cases: narrow implants, biofill, which is the grafting material. I can see here the cases with the guides. Wow, there is a lot of things, lot of cases being uploaded, so a dentist can get a good education while getting this link. Now I'm moving towards the other tab, the media center. Let us see what the media center shows me. It shows me the video of the company, and we can see here the videos, the manuals. Dentists can download here the manuals, the latest manuals of implant surgical tools, manuals, advantages, cement retained, screw retained solutions. The presentations are available here. We can also logs here, the mini catalog here, the one about P64. Wow, so there is a lot of. Now I'm clicking to the other thing, that is the information about contacting. If any dentist, anybody wants to contact our head office in Israel, can click onto this link and get our address, which is in Ashdod, Israel. Can have our numbers, can contact on the numbers. Can also write down to the email, which is info@ibdent.com. The customers can also put in their details here and send it, and the concerned people will contact you back to the main page. And it was an amazing experience of launching this website in front of you all. And I will need your cooperation and would need your support and your feedbacks for making such more videos in future. Thank you very much. Watching me live. See you at the clinic. Stay connected with me. Stay healthy.